Hi everyone, this is Thurman, Burnley Farm Apiary. Got some packages that we're going to be putting in. This was a kind of a rescue mission. This came out of, these packages came from Rossman Apiary. They were shipped up here to another beekeeper who unfortunately died. And so Rossman, they gave me a call and they asked if I could come take the bees to save them since they wouldn't survive the trip back to Georgia. So I went up there and I picked them up, and now I'm here. I'm going to put them in the hives. We're going to take good care of these girls. So we'll just go 1, 2, 3 right through the row. Put them in. Yeah, come on girls. Y'all come out. So let's see here. Queen is in there. She's a marked queen. She does not have attendants on the inside, so they're going to have to eat their way through. I don't know how long they've been in transit. I'm guessing not that long, probably an overnight thing. So I'm just going to slip her in here. We're going to turn it face down so that the bees can help her out, but we're going to keep it sideways. So we're just going to put the girls out. That's it. I'm going to be gentle with them. No need to do a big thump. I found it's unnecessary. So we're just going to put the bees out right here, and I put a board up in front, so we just set that right there. The bees will make their way inside from that point. Got their can of feed right there. Queen's right there. The bees are slowly going down. Just take the empty box, slip it on top, and cap. Now I'm sure that these girls have been in here for at least a day, so I'm going to give them until tomorrow evening with this queen. Another mated one, another mated queen. She's been spotted, the blue spot on her back. Pop out the cork on the candy side. Again, slide this open, laying it down sideways. There. I know a lot of people tell you that you should thump your bees and cover them up, but you know, it doesn't matter if they're flying around. They're going to find their way. Even if they go into a different box, they're all going to find their way. So everything's okay. So I don't like doing a lot of thumping on the girls. Poor things have been banged around enough as it is. You know, just going through the mail. You know, I can shake out a good majority of them just by shaking. And then we're just going to put this right up in front, let them work their way in. I find this is a lot less stressful on the bees. It's a lot easier on me. I put in 8 packages like this. What? A little over a month ago. Did the exact same thing. Everything worked out. Queen's alive. Just got a spot on her. Pop the top. Slide her inside. Now it's kind of late. It's like May 22nd. My opinion, it's a little late to be getting bees in the mail, but here they are. Now each one of these boxes has 4 frames of drawn comb. So as soon as the queen is released, which I will probably take care of tomorrow, it looks like she was being accepted pretty well. Everything should be just fine. Put these girls up there. Let me give you a close-up view here. So see, they'll make their way down inside. No need to do this heavy thumping. You know, I learned that you gotta thump them, and one of my earlier videos shows me doing that, and I've just since, you know, learned to do it a different way. Look at this. They've already spread out. The first one I did, look at that. Already spread out. Let's take a look at the second one. Already spread out, making their way around. We put them in. See, the queen is right here. So I've got the cage upside down. They can come up underneath. They can feed her. They can work their way through the candy to get to her. I'll be pulling her out either tomorrow or the next day. If we'll see how well they're chewing on it. So now we'll just cover it back up. I'll pick my frames up in a minute, put them in empty boxes until later on. But as you can see, it was really easy. Not a lot of stress. The bees had enough stress. You know, just going through the mail was hard enough. So by this evening, almost every one of these girls will be out of the box and they'll be up inside the hive. We just got to get, you know, as soon as they start seeing that everybody else is inside, they'll start going inside too. You can see the first one, they're already starting to go to the beginning. Let's see here. So yeah, they're doing fine. So they'll make their way in. So I have to say that I'm really sorry that I got the bees this way. But, you know, they say that God has a plan. And as long as we follow it, we're going to succeed, we're going to do well. So I have to believe that He had a hand in this. But I'm going to take real good care of these girls, especially because of the way they were given to me. But, so here's hoping that all of you have really successful lives.